Dear students, let us discuss the remaining portion of the syllabus from the wave chapter. Today I would like to explain an important topic, that is expression for intensity of progressive wave. Intensity of a progressive wave is the rate of transfer of energy per unit area normal to propagation of the wave is called intensity of the wave. We know that the progressive wave equation is y is equal to a sine 2 pi by lambda into Vt minus x. I am going to call equation 1, this equation as 1, where y is the displacement of the particle at a distance x from the origin at a time t. We know that the velocity of the particle is given by the rate of change of displacement. Therefore, here the velocity of the particle is given by dy by dt is equal to a cos 2 pi by lambda Vt minus x into 2 pi v by lambda, or dy by dt is equal to 2 pi ab cos 2 pi by lambda Vt minus x. I am going to call this equation as 2. Differentiate equation 2 with respect to t, that is d square y by dt square is equal to acceleration is equal to 2 pi ab by lambda into minus sine of sine 2 pi by lambda Vt minus x into 2 pi v by lambda. D square y by dt square is equal to minus 4 pi square av square by lambda square into sine 2 pi by lambda Vt minus x. I am going to call this equation as 3. Consider the unit volume of the medium of mass m. I am going to consider here unit volume. Therefore, density of the medium is equal to rho is equal to m. We know that kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. Here the kinetic energy per unit volume of the medium is equal to half, same, that is half mv square, that is half mass into velocity square, that is equal to half into mass is m, that is equal to rho, that's why half into rho into 2 pi ab by lambda cos 2 pi by lambda Vt minus x whole square. Next, therefore kinetic energy is equal to, after simplification, rho by 2 is equal to 4 pi square a square v square by lambda square cos square 2 pi by lambda into Vt minus x. We know that v is equal to f lambda, or f is equal to v by lambda. Therefore, kinetic energy is equal to 2 pi square rho a square f square cos square 2 pi by lambda Vt minus x. I am going to call this equation as force. And also we have work done for displacement is equal to, that is force into displacement. We know that force is equal to mass into acceleration. Therefore, work done is equal to mass into acceleration into displacement, that is equal to rho into 4 pi square a v square by lambda square sine 2 pi by lambda Vt minus x into dy. Next, therefore total work done for a displacement y, W is equal to integration with limits 0 to y, rho 4 pi square av square by lambda square sine of 2 pi by lambda Vt minus x into dy. Our potential energy is equal to 4 pi square rho v square by lambda square into y square by 2. Therefore potential energy after simplification, just it is 2 pi square rho v square by lambda square into a square sine square 2 pi by lambda Vt minus x. I am going to call this equation as 5. I have potential energy and also kinetic energy. Therefore, the total energy per unit volume in the medium is E is equal to potential energy plus kinetic energy. Therefore, if I substitute the potential energy values and kinetic energy values, then it will become E is equal to 2 pi square rho f square a square cos square 2 pi by lambda Vt minus x plus 2 pi square rho f square a square sine square 2 pi by lambda Vt minus x. E is equal to 2 pi square rho f square a square into cos square 2 pi by lambda Vt minus x plus sine square 2 pi by lambda Vt minus x. After simplification, just it is E is equal to 2 pi square rho f square a square. I am going to call this equation as 6. The rate of flow of energy per unit area of cross section normal to direction of the wave propagation is called the intensity of the wave. Intensity of the wave is equal to, that is I is equal to E into V. Therefore, I is equal to 2 pi square rho f square a square V. Just it is watts per meter square. This is the equation for intensity of the wave. As I said before, this is very important to the point of examination. If you get any doubt about this topic, please contact me through WhatsApp. Thank you.